Hello again. This is Pavla. Let me show you how to make my most favorite stringing of pendants. I like it because it's very simple, it's very comfortable, and also it's very good looking. I will show you black and white version, but of course you can play with colors or designs. They are matching to your pendant better. The black and white, in my opinion, is the most versatile one, so I will show you this one. You will need black and white clay, of course. I'm using Premo, but I think you can use any clay brand you like. Stack them and together make them on medium setting so they will enlarge. Just cut two little pieces. You can see that mine are not very big, but the size is up to you, depends on how much you need. Just cut and stack, as you can see, and you will make a cane. You could be more neated than I'm, but it doesn't matter because we will cut it anyway. So stuck it into small cane like so. And if you have any air pockets, just push and you will see they will disappear. You can cut ugly edges later, or you can do it before, which is probably much better. You will need the black on thickest setting and cut quite thick slices. It's better if they are as same as possible, and place them next to each other. It would be better to use a longer side of this, let's say, rectangle, but it's not so important. So press them into your black. You can see it's quite thick. And then we will go step by step through the pasta machine until quite thin setting. Actually, the thickness is not very important because we will cover a cylinder of black clay. You can cover also a scrap, but I found more comfortable to work with black directly. The stripes are horizontal, and wrap your cylinder. And it's better if your clay is clean. Mine is quite dirty, unfortunately, because I didn't clean my tile. But anyway, close it and reduce it, because we want to have more delicate lines than they are. And the medium size is good because it's not melting into very deep, very small one. So you still need to see some lines at the end, and I'm trying not to twist them. Cut ugly edges. And we can start with our endings. So I will cut a couple of cylinders. They are about 8-10 millimeters. And now pinch, and close the edge. And you will create something like a mushroom shape. It's good because it's easy to drill into a bottom part, as you will see later. And you will have nice end of your string. So again, pinch. You can see it's quite fast process. I didn't make it faster. It's a real time. And shape something like a mushroom capes. I made 4, but of course I usually make many more. The point is to find the cutter which is fitting to your string, and it can be different. I like to buy a quantity of same size string, so all my beads will be working. And you need to make a breakers, which are just flat circles, as you can see, and cut your hole. Because my string is 2 millimeters, it makes sense that my cutter is 4 millimeters size. So you can see I made more. That's how they looks like, and put them into oven. It's really important they need to be baked well, so overbake them a little bit. So when they are baked, let's string the pendant. You will need 2 mushrooms, hand driller, and of course a string. The driller has the same size as my string is, so in this case 2 millimeters. It looks bigger on screen, but it's 2 millimeters. So when you get this something like a pasta fusilli, these curly things, it means it's cured well. If you drill and you will get just something like a dust, it means it's not cured well, and it can break, and probably it will. So it's definitely necessary to be baked well. So now it's time to string the pendant, which is very simple. So from both sides, from the left and put from the right. It should not go easy because it should be a break. So definitely you can enlarge the hole, but it's very hard to make it smaller at the end. And now you can just glue your ends and it's done. And you can adjust it according to your outfit, which is amazing. As you can see, this is super easy. I like to use Loctite gel glue because it's functional, but if you have any other favorite glue which it works, you can go ahead. So, and now it's done. Of course, it needs to dry. You can see that you can make it smaller, bigger, according to your outfit and how it works on me. I wish I had 3 hands because it's really hard to use mobile phone and adjusting your necklace, but I think you got the point. So if you like it, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.